2012 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, navigation system, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.